Okay, this is my grandfather's World War II steamer chest that's been in the family for a while, since the 40s, I guess. It's been passed around basement to basement. It's gotten some water damage. It's beat up pretty bad, rust. This ain't, it's like a brass covered or brass on finished, so I am having problems cleaning it up. I found this in my garage. It's rust neutralizer. So what I'm going to do is hit all the rust spots to try to neutralize the rust, and then I'm going to hit the outside with this lemon oil furniture polish because it's all kind of like dried out. I don't think it's leather, but it's some kind of fabric. That's been broken into, so there's no key. That may be able to be restored, but we're not trying to do like some professional restoration on this. All I'm trying to do is get this cleaned up to give to someone else to store their stuff in the family. Actually, it's going to my son. He just doesn't know it yet. So that's what we're dealing with. I'm gonna hit all these spots, rub some of that oil in it. I already wiped it down. So we'll do, I guess, a before and after. Some rust here. So we'll see how this comes out. Get a close up of this. That was my water bottle popping. That's kind of funny. Oops. Turns it black. I actually use this on my cars if I get a small rust spot started. Trying to make it look semi-decent. Oops. Actually need to get this edge on the outside. So we'll come back to this. Let's see how that works out. I can probably pause the video. This is going to take me longer than I thought. A little longer than I thought. And up top here, these buttons, the rivets, these are just getting the old Q-tip cotton swab dab. too much there. Should have stayed with my original plan. Looks pretty good. And then we'll hit it just to be consistent. Got chickens in the background, my text is coming in. Guarantee I know who this is. Get these guys. Already did them. Right. So the front, the top, the sides are done. I gotta do the back. The first one I did is already, you can see what it does. Turns it black, and it's supposed to prevent the rust from coming back. It's actually pretty decent stuff. Really good stuff for your vehicles. If you catch something quick and slap this on, it's gonna stop right away. You look close. This is, I just did this, and you can see all of those little dots of black used to be rust. Kind of cool. Here's some after footage. Again, this neutralizer turns all the rust black. This is still drying. So I gotta get all my stuff off here. I think it's an antique-y finish. Antique. I wonder what's inside. An old Hershey's almond box and a bunch of stuff that I put in there. A lot of phone calls. I'm just going to dump this on here. Chair. So I guess this oil, if it's hitting the rust that I missed, it ain't no big deal. So that's the front. I'll be back. Well, it's all done. Spin it around here. All the rest turned black. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video or if it helped you out. Definitely looks better and presentable. Instead of sitting in the basement, it's going upstairs now.